Hello there and welcome to Pastiology by Vimal, where I share easy and delicious recipes for you from a chef's kitchen. Today is the second video of our Christmas series where I'll be showing you how to make gingerbread cookies, making and decorating of a gingerbread house. So if you like baking and if you like this kind of content, please do consider subscribing to my channel and do not forget to turn on the notification so that you will not miss any recipes here. So let's roll the intro. Alright, so before we start, using this recipe you can make ginger man cookies, Santa shoe or any other Christmas theme shaped cookies according to the cutter what you have. For today's video, I have already the template ready for the gingerbread house. I'll be putting a downloadable link in the description below. So you just go down, print it out and start building your house. So let's start making the dough now. To make the ginger cookie dough, you need 150 grams of unsalted butter, 550 grams of all-purpose flour with 7 grams of baking powder, 2 large eggs, 15 grams of ginger powder, 75 grams of honey, 75 grams of dark molasses and 225 grams of sugar. So the process is really simple. What you have to do is you melt your sugar, honey and dark molasses together. If you don't have dark molasses, you can always substitute it with honey. Once the sugar is melted completely, out of the heat, add your butter into it. Mix it really well until your butter melts and combine into it. Once the mix cools down, add your eggs and all your dry ingredients and mix well to create a nice dough. I am using a planetary mixer with a pedal attachment. You don't need a fancy equipment like this. You can do it with your hand and a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon. Now our gingerbread cookie dough is ready. Let's put it in a container or a resealable bag or even on a cling film and put this in the refrigerator for at least 5 hours. So once your dough is set in the refrigerator, take it out and roll it into 2 mm thickness and using our gingerbread house template, cut individual pieces as per the instruction given on top. Once you finish cutting all the parts for your gingerbread house, let's bake the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Let's make the royal icing. There are 2 ways to build your gingerbread house. Either you can use a caramel or a royal icing. The benefit of using caramel is that you will have a very clean finish for your house. But the drawback is that if you live in a place where there is a lot of humidity, there are chances your sugar will melt and your gingerbread cookie will get soggy. since there is a lot of humidity where I live, I prefer to use royal icing. So let's go for it now. To make the royal icing, you need 250 grams of icing sugar and 1 egg white or 30 grams of egg white. Mix everything together until you get a smooth texture. Now royal icing is ready. Let me show you the texture. This is how it should be. Let's transfer this into a piping bag and let's start building the gingerbread house. Alright, now our basic gingerbread structure is ready. Let's start decorating this. For decorating, you can use candies, chocolates, gummy bears, jelly beans, candy cane, or even non-edible Christmas decorations if you want. It's all up to your imagination and creativity. For my gingerbread house, I'll be using some candy cane, colored sugar fondant, and even some non-edible Santa Clauses and Christmas tree. A reminder for you guys to soak your fruits, because in the next video we'll be doing Christmas fruit cake. So if you haven't watched the video of Christmas fruit soaking, go check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. So that's all from me guys. I'll see you all in the next video. You all stay safe.